Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we read the mathematical formulation for Newton's second law of motion. I hope it is clear to you. We have derived the relation F is equal to m into A. And today we are going to solve the numericals based on this formula. Means based on Newton's second law of motion, we will solve the numericals. Okay. So, see question number 14. A constant force acts on an object of mass 5 kg for a duration of 2 seconds. Means a force is applied on an object and object mass is given to you, that is 5 kg, and the force is applied for 2 seconds. So here mass is 5 kg and time is 2 seconds. Okay. Then what happened? It increases the object's velocity. After applying force, what happened? Object's velocity get increases from 3 meter per second to 7 meter per second. Means initially it was moving from 3 meter per second. Now it is moving from with a velocity of 7 meter per second. So initial velocity u is 3 meter per second and final velocity v is 7 meter per second. Okay. Find the magnitude of the force applied. Now you have to calculate the force. कि what is the force? कितना force लगाया? Okay. And in B part, if the force is applied for a duration of 5 seconds, in A part, force was applied for 2 seconds. Now, in second part, force का जो duration है, for the time for which it is applying, it has applied. The duration has changed. Time जो है वो 5 seconds है. अब force जो है वो 5 seconds के लिए apply किया जा रहा है. तो उस केस में what would be the final velocity of the object? Okay. So first you will read the question twice or thrice. आप क्वेश्चन को अंडरस्टैंड कीजिए and then you will write the data whatever it is given to you. Okay. So for part A, m जो है that is 5 kg object, t 2 seconds के लिए force लग रहा है and उसकी velocity it was 3 meter per second. Now it has changed from 3 to 7 meter per second, and in this case you have to calculate force. Force the formula is F is equal to m into A. Now see, m is given to you, m is mass, that is given to you, that is 5 kg. But A, it is unknown to you. So first you have to calculate A, तभी आपका force जो है वो calculate हो पाएगा. Okay, so how will you calculate A? You will use three equations of motion that we have studied in chapter motion. Okay, first equation v minus u is equal to at. Second equation f is equal to ut plus half at square. Third equation v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Now you will see which equation you will use to calculate A. So obviously first equation, because V, U and T is given. So you will use first equation V minus U upon T is equal to A. Okay. So you will put the value, first you will write the formula and then you will put the value. V is 7 minus U is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4 divided by 2. T जो है वो 2 है आपका. So 4 upon 2 is 2 meter per second square. The acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Don't forget to write the unit. Okay. Next, A you have calculated. Now you have to calculate F. F is equal to M into A. Now M is given to you, that is 5. 5 multiplied 2 is 10. 5 to the 10. And unit of force is Newton. N. So force you get 10 Newton. Okay. First part where you have to calculate the magnitude of applied force, that is 10 Newton. Okay. Now this force in second part it said कि this force is applied for the duration of 5 seconds. Now in this case see, फोर्स जो है आपका 10 न्यूटन है, टाइम जो है वो 5 सेकेंड है. अब 5 सेकेंड के लिए फोर्स जो है वो अप्लाई किया जा रहा है. ओके. यू जो है कितना था, 3 मीटर पर सेकेंड. जब 5 न्यूटन 10 न्यूटन का फोर्स है 5 सेकेंड के लिए अप्लाई किया गया, देन व्हाट वुड बी द फाइनल वेलोसिटी. ये आपको इस केस में कैलकुलेट करना है. ओके. And so which equation you will use? Acceleration you have calculated, that is 2 meter per second square. Now V is unknown, ut is given. So you will use first equation of motion, v minus u is equal to at. V as it is looking, it is unknown to you for the second case, and u is 3, acceleration 2, time is 5. 2 5 is 10, and when this minus 3 goes to the right hand side, it will become plus 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13. So you will get final velocity is equal to 13 meters per second. Okay. Now see, next question, which would require a greater force? Accelerating a 2 kg mass at 5 meter per second square, or a 4 kg mass at 2 meter per second square. Now here, two cases are given to you. In first case, object ka mass is given to you, that is 2 kg. And that in that case, acceleration is 5 meter per second square. ठीक है, इस केस में ग्रेटर फोर्स लग रहा है, या फिर और the next is 4 kg mass at 2 meter per second square. Next case में object का mass is 4 kg and acceleration here is 2 meter per second square. So we will calculate force in both the cases, and then we will get to know in which case it would require a greater force. Okay. So for the first case, I have put number 1 here. 2 kg mass at 5 meter per second square. So here mass is 2 kg, acceleration is 5 meter per second square. See, this is acceleration. Okay. So here F is equal to m into a. M is 2 into 5, that is 10 newton. Similarly, we will calculate the force for the second case. 4 kg mass at 2 meter per second square. Mass is 4 kg and acceleration is 2 meter per second square. So in this case, when you will calculate the force, F is equal to m into a. 4 into 2, that is 8 newton. Now you know 10 newton is greater than 8 newton. So this would require a greater force. Means 2 kg mass at 5 meter per second square require a greater force. Okay. Next, question number 16. A motorboat is moving with a velocity of 108 km per hour. एक motor car है. It is moving with a velocity of 108 km per hour. And it takes 4 seconds to stop after the brakes are applied. Now, as the brakes are applied, धीरे धीरे इसकी वेलोसिटी जो है वो डिक्रीज होकर बिल्कुल स्टॉप हो गई. एंड स्टॉप कितने टाइम में हुई? 4 सेकेंड्स लगे उसको बिल्कुल जीरो होने में. Okay, now you have to calculate the force exerted by the brakes on the motor car. Now you have to calculate the force कि जैसे आपने ब्रेक लगाया उस केस में कितना फोर्स लगा मोटर कार के ऊपर, that it comes to rest. And the mass along with the passenger is 1000 kg. Now the mass of the motor car is given to you. Okay, so here U is given to you 108 किलोमीटर पर आवर. नाउ दिस इज नॉट इन SI यूनिट. किलोमीटर पर आवर जो है वो आपकी SI यूनिट नहीं है. फर्स्ट यू विल कन्वर्टेड इनटू SI यूनिट. और स्पीड या वेलोसिटी की, व्हाट इज द SI यूनिट ऑफ स्पीड एंड वेलोसिटी? इट इज मीटर पर सेकेंड. So first you will convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second. How will you convert? Multiplying it by 5 by 18. Okay, so 108 को जब आप 5 by 18 से multiply करेंगे तो you will get the answer in meter per second. Okay, and you solve it and you will get 30 meter per second. And it comes to rest finally. तो B आपका 0 हो गया after application of the brake. And how much time it is taking to become its velocity to 0? D 4 seconds. इसको 4 second लग रहे हैं. And you have to calculate the force. And mass is given to you, that is 1000 kg. So force निकालने का formula is m into a. A is not given to you. So first you will calculate a. And which equation you will use? First equation. Yes. B minus u is equal to 80 है. A unknown है. तो a is equal to v minus u upon t से आप इसकी एक एक्सेलरेशन जो है वो आप कैलकुलेट करेंगे. v जो है वो 0 है. u माइनस u जो है 30 है. डिवाइडेड बाय t इज 4. So 0 minus 30 divided by 4. Minus 30 divided by 4 and you will get minus 7.5 meter per second square. Okay. Now you will calculate force. Force is equal to m into a. M is given to you 1000 kg multiply a is minus 7.5. -7.5 multiplied by 1000 is -7500 न्यूटन. ओके, 3 zeros आएंगी, ये एक डेसिमल के इधर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, तो जब 2 zeros रह जाएंगी, ठीक है, तो डेसिमल के बाद एक जीरो, इट हैज नो वैल्यू, तो -7500 न्यूटन. सी हियर फोर्स जो है उसकी वैल्यू नेगेटिव में आ रही है. व्हाट डज इट शोइंग कि नेगेटिव में है, मतलब फोर्स जो है वो उसकी अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में लग रहा है. जिस डायरेक्शन में मोटर कार लग रही है, तो ब्रेक्स लगाई, ब्रेक लगाया तो वो स्टॉप हो गया ना, तो मीन फोर्स जो है वो अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में लगा. फोर्स की डायरेक्शन जो है वो अपोजिट है टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द मोशन ऑफ मोटर कार. दैट्स व्हाई हियर negative sign is there. Okay. Now question number 17. A force of 5 Newton gives a mass m1 and acceleration of 10 meter per second square. Okay. फोर्स जो है जब 5 न्यूटन का लग रहा है कितने मास के ऊपर, m1 के ऊपर, तो उस केस में एक्सेलरेशन जो है वो कितनी है, 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. ओके. एंड अ मास m2, जब मास m2 है तब एक्सेलरेशन कितनी है उस केस में, 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. ओके. नाउ व्हाट एक्सेलरेशन वुड इट गिव, कितना एक्सेलरेशन प्रोड्यूस होगा अगर बोथ मासेस वर टाइड टुगेदर, अगर दोनों मासेस को कंबाइन कर दिया जाए. ओके. तो एक्सेलरेशन निकालना है, फोर्स उतना ही है, 5 न्यूटन का ही लग रहा है, लेकिन इस केस में मास को दे वर टाइड टुगेदर, मास को कंबाइन कर दिया है. तो F इज इक्वल टू m इंटू ए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें मास पता होना चाहिए कि कितना है दोनों केसेस में, ठीक है. देन इनको ऐड करेंगे, देन वी विल कैलकुलेट द फाइनल एक्सेलरेशन. सो इन द फर्स्ट केस फोर्स जो है आपका 5 न्यूटन है, मास जो है वो m1 है और एक्सेलरेशन कितना है, 10 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. सो यू विल राइट द फॉर्मूला F इज इक्वल टू m इंटू ए. Substitute the values. F is equal to 5 Newton. M कितना है, m1. See here m1. Okay. And acceleration in this case is 10. So m1 कितना आ जाएगा, ये 10 इधर मल्टीप्लाई में है. When it goes to the left hand side, 5 divided by 10, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. And you are calculating mass here, so SI unit of mass is kg. Okay. Now in the second case, F जो है वो आपका 5 न्यूटन ही है, मास जो है वो m2 है, एक्सेलरेशन 20 है. Similarly, you will calculate m2 from here. F is equal to m into a. Substitute the values. F5, m जो है आपका m2, a acceleration 20. तो m2 कितना हो जाएगा, 5 divided by 20. 5 1 the 5, 5 4 the 20. That is m2 is equal to 1 divided by 4 is 0.25 kg. Now you get masses m1 0.5 आया है और m2 0.25 आया है. टोटल मास व्हेन दे आर टाइड टुगेदर, कंबाइन कर दिया तो मींस m1 प्लस m2 टोटल मास आ जाएगा. 0.5 plus 0.25 is equal to 0.75. Okay. And in this case also force उतना ही लग रहा है 5 न्यूटन का. तो F is equal to capital M into A. Why capital M? Because in this case we are using the total mass, capital M. Okay. F 5 Newton है, total mass 0.75 है, and A you have to calculate in this case. So A क्या हो जाएगा, 5 is 0.75 and it goes to the other side, ये divide में आ जाएगा. ठीक है. तो 500 divided by 0.75. So you will get 6.67 meter per second square. Okay class. So first you will read the question twice or thrice. Then you will write the data. फिर आप उसका फॉर्मूला देखेंगे कि कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज होगा. यू विल राइट द फॉर्मूला एंड देन यू विल सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज एंड राइट द आंसर. एंड बच्चे प्लीज डोंट forget to write the unit. Okay. Thank you class and have a nice day.